Right then, we don't see many of these anymore here, but one of our favourite cars to sell, the Land Rover Discovery 5. This one's just arrived on a 2024 74, just 9,000 miles. It's the D350, so the bigger horsepower car in Santorini Black with lovely 21-inch wheels, steps and sliding roof. This is a great car because of its 7-seat versatility, the fact that it's in a really like new condition, massive saving from list. We're going to be selling this for just under £60,000. What about that? It's got the right engine, it's got the right look, and it's the Dynamic SE. No longer the R Dynamic, this is the newer model, so the Dynamic SE giving you a dynamic grille, bumpers, fully colour-coded car, and a fantastic four-wheel drive 7-seater, always so popular. I love the look of the Discovery. For me, it looks still very current. And this one's got the options you want. So full Land Rover Black Pack giving you the wing inserts, obviously the Land Rover steps and 21-inch gloss black wheels with roof rails. And then inside, beautifully broken up by that two-tone interior. So I like the lighter interior of these. Again, you've got electric seats, you've got a memory seat, you've got so many features like adaptive cruise, heated front seats, heated rear seats. It's a great car. With the opening sunroof, it makes all the difference. And true versatility, having 7 seats. It's also got a full set of Land Rover rubber floor mats in the front, the rear and in the boot. And it's beautiful. So if you're looking for something that you need a bit of extra space, then this car is a phenomenal price. It hasn't actually got heated rear seats. Sorry, just forget about that. It hasn't got rear heated seats. I made a mistake there, but still a great car. Now then, to the rear, we've got loads of really lovely features like the rear boot spoiler, again fully colour coded. The car has front and rear sensors and the full Land Rover 360 3D camera system. The boot releases under the S, and then as you pop the boot, which is fully electric, you then come with this, so parcel shelf in place, but massive boot space. Now on the side here, we've got an electric little parcel shelf which you can sit on. The seats are under the rubber mat, and they all fold up electrically and down electrically, and we've got air suspension switchable there. If you want to look at the insurance on this car, A074HHZ. That's a 74 plate vehicle, of course, but it gives you plenty of Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance until late 2027, which is ultimate peace of mind. The car's in a lovely condition, and the steps are an aid to help me get in it. Into the door, Meridian Sound, two-tone doors, so you've got the top and in the lighter colour than the black. Again, we've got adaptive cruise and lane assist on the steering wheel. 11.4-inch touchscreen, which I mentioned on the back of the car. It's got the 360 camera system, so top view, rear view and full 3D surround view cameras. Look at that. Pivi Pro interface giving you wireless smartphone integration. We've got loads of four-wheel drive and terrain settings to play around with, but really you're going to sync your phone up to this car and use your Apple or Android CarPlay with wireless phone charging down here. We've got different drive mode switchable from the Drog that pops out here, and of course your lighter headlining, which breaks the car up with the two-tone seats and the opening roof. Great car. 9,000 miles on it, loads of Land Rover warranty, great colour, massive saving from the list price and the bigger D350 engine. I love this car. We haven't had one for a little while, and it's fantastically priced. If you're interested, give us a call. Simple and easy buying process. My number's on the screen. It's Richard. Use it. Thank you.